The debug console in VS Code is an interactive console that lets you explore and interact with your current program as it's being debugged. Let's take a look at this using this simple Express app. So to start debugging, I'm going to go create a JavaScript debug terminal. So I'm going to open the command palette with Control-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P and say create. I'm going to do create JavaScript debug terminal here. And now inside this debug terminal, all I have to do is say npm run start. And we've automatically started debugging that. It's automatically attached and everything there. Now I'm just going to go and make a request. So I'll do curl localhost 3000. And we've gone and we've actually hit at this breakpoint. Now, what the debug console lets us do, it can both view the output of the program. So you can see that here we had some console log statements. And in the debug console down here, I've just switched over to that in this current tab. We can see that these messages have been logged. So we have the string that was logged first, and then this more complex object. If a object has been logged for JavaScript, we can actually then go explore it further. So we can expand out all the properties, explore that object further. And then also in the debug console, we can go and evaluate expressions. So we can do simple things like 1 + 1 if we wanted to. You can see that it's printing out the expression we entered and then the result down there. We could do more complex things. So we could go and create an array. We could do 1, 2, 3, and then slice 1. So pretty much any JavaScript expression. But you can also evaluate expressions in their current context where we've currently paused. So we can use the variables and things that are within scope and actually evaluate those in the debug console as well. So if I wanted to explore the request, for example, I could just do rec here, and then we can go in here and actually explore this request. So it is evaluating all of these expressions in the current context of my, my breakpoint that I've currently hit at the moment here. This is a great way to explore your program's current state. Now, this is a look at the JavaScript debug console, but the debug console for other languages may add additional features as well and might have additional syntax. Oftentimes, it does take the form of this REPL, so a read, print, evaluate loop, where you are evaluating expressions. But debuggers for other languages might support additional commands and other things that let you explore your program in new ways. So that's a quick look at VS Code's debug console.